in the Quad Cities has issued a severe...
Stevenson County! Woo!
County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Council Hill to Mount Carroll to near Tampico, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect
Storm's
damage
getting closer
to
and
roofs,
closer.
siding, and trees. The thunderstorms will be near Rock Falls, Chadwick, and Deer Grove around 5:30 p.m. Lanark around 5:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Pearl City, Cheyenne, Apple River, Warren, Freeport, and German Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. The National Weather Service